How to find language settings on Instagram Threads, easy and quick. If you want to find it, it's easy. All you have to do first, go to Instagram Threads, and now once you're here, just go to this one, click here on your profile, and now once you're here, click these two lines here in the top corner, click on it, and then as you see here, you will find the language. Now you can change your language to whatever language you want, and that's it. Just click on it and it will be changed, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.